कैसे बोलते ज़ांस्कार?
ज़ांस्कर
ज़ांस्कार।
ज़ांस्कर
अच्छा
हाँ
अच्छा
पूरे को ज़ांस्कर बोलता है.
There they stand, older than time. They got here without roads and stayed there forever. Earth's oldest people, the mighty mountains.
That's the start. Huh?
The one thing that I completely underestimated was the altitude. Because, you know, like you think yourself, oh, you go up to the mountains, you'll be fine, you get used to it, you just have to equalize. I didn't realize how long it took us to actually acclimatize and then obviously go through it. But the scariest bit was as we are ascending, going through sandy bits, like really thick sand. The bike has no... My Achilles here.
Yesterday has been a pretty wild day. We're actually staying in people's home, so we share their food. We're sleeping with the house, and we get to come here on the roof of the house, and we watch the stars, and it was just amazing. We get to see the Milky Way like never before.
We keep riding back here because these valleys, they guide us, showing us the way. They remind us that our roads are just fresh new lines in the planet's infinite history. That's why we come back, to find more life around every corner, and with it, an incredible view.